we're going back outside to try and work on our creek today. It's still flooded. It rained and stormed for 3 days, and now it's nice and clear, so we're gonna get some work done while we can before it rains again this week. Okay, so I got my pipes and catch basin and drain and a couple of pipe fittings, but we have to see if they're gonna fit together. Okay, so here's the problem we're having. We got this huge roll of 4-inch pipe. Let's make sure that it's 4 inches. Yes, 4 inches by 100 feet. And then I got all of these 4-inch pipe connector pieces. This is a 4-inch snap tee. This fits. This is a 4-inch couple adapter that does not fit. This is a 2x3x4 downspout adapter. Okay, anyways, the main problem is catch basin is fine. The snap tee is fine. This, the main thing that I need, is not fine. And it says that it connects to 3-inch and 4-inch pipes. And this hole is exactly, the outside of the hole is exactly 4 inches. So I'm not sure how a 4-inch pipe is supposed to go in there. This sits right inside, kind of. Just this, the smaller part right there. The rest of it is too wide. So I have no idea how I'm gonna get that connected to that. I think I'm gonna have to get like a 4-inch to a 3-inch pipe adapter or something. Okay, so here we are so far. Got the plastic down, put some big rocks and stepping stones on it, and we're putting some gravel on it just to kind of fill it in. I'm not sure if I'm going to do mulch on the sides because it might just float away, because all of this that you see gets like a ton of water coming through when it rains. So I'm not sure. Probably just buy like some big decorative pebble stones or something eventually. But a tip for people who want to do this: make sure you go out wide enough, like at the top, so that you can actually put gravel on top. You see all these big stones that we've got kind of setting on top? There's like a a hill right there, and I just realized we're not going to be able to put rocks on that because they're just going to slide down into the bottom of the creek and fill it up, which it may still flow over the rocks like that, but I'm not sure. We'll just have to see if this kind of settles down. We did lower that side down because when it flooded and rained, it was like making another creek along the side of it, so I lowered that edge down so that water can just flow in to the creek. I can't do that on this side because then it will just flood the rest of the yard, which is the whole reason why we're doing this. So we'll just have to see what we can do with this, but so far it looks pretty cool and it's working.